Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Jazmina and this is my IBS model construction process. For the materials, I mainly used printed CAD drawings, modeling board and strong glue. Okay, step 1. I start off by sticking the north elevation to the modeling board. I then cut them to make the walls. After cutting, I check the dimensions of the wall by comparing it on its floor plan. For step 2, I proceed with cutting the first floor walls using the same north elevation as earlier. Now continuing with step 3, I repeated the same process for both walls, but this time I used the south elevation. Then for step 4, I cut the walls by using the west elevation. Step 5 is the last step for cutting the walls of both floors. This time I used the east elevation. Step 6. Once I finish cutting, I recheck all the walls and arrange them per elevation to make it easier for the sticking process. Now step 7. I start to stick together all the walls of the ground floor that I cut earlier. I referred to the floor plan I printed to scale and stuck the walls on top of it. Now, for step 8, I repeated the same process, but this time, it is for the first floor. I also used the floor plan printed to scale, so it was faster and easier. Step 9. I stuck the floor plan onto the modeling board as its base, then cut it. I took the ground floor walls I put together earlier, then stuck them onto the ground floor plan. Step 10 is me sticking the first floor plan onto the modeling board base. I then repeated the same process as earlier and stuck the first floor walls on top of it. These are the walls of both floors stuck on their respective floor plans. For step 11, I started to cut the roofs. This time I used a brown crafting board and also the roof plan printed to scale. I then continue with step 12, which is me placing the columns for the carporch roof. Then step 13, I connected both floors together by sticking the first floor onto the ground floor. Now I can finally continue with step 14, which is me sticking all the roofs at the respective spaces on the walls I put together earlier. For the final step, I stuck the finished product onto the A3 mounting board. This is the final product of my IBS model with its base. That is all from me. Thank you for watching.